Ladies, let me tell you something. Your face is not the first place that tells your age. It's this right here. I'm 62, and when I started seeing those chest lines getting deeper and that crepey look, oh, no, ma'am, we had to fix that. Here's my simple, powerful mix: 1 teaspoon of Vaseline, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and an 1/8 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, or 2 or 3 vitamin E capsules. Vaseline locks in moisture like a shield. When your skin stays hydrated, those wrinkles don't look as deep. Olive oil is rich in vitamins A and E. It helps soften, nourish, and support smoother looking skin. And vitamin E helps with skin repair and gives that glow, especially for mature skin that needs extra love. This is how I mix it. I just mix everything together until you get a smooth, silky blend. Now listen, don't just rub it on. You want to massage upward. Apply to your chest and neck. Use upward strokes. Focus on wrinkle lines. Massage for 2 to 3 minutes and let it sit overnight. That's where the magic really happens. And you can use this 3 to 4 times a week at night. Consistency is what tightens things up. And yes, you can use this on other areas. Like I said, the neck, chest, hands, elbows, and knees. For the face, use very lightly, especially if you're acne prone. This is not Botox, but baby, it will have your skin looking smoother, softer, and more hydrated. Because we're not trying to look younger, we're trying to look good at every age.
Look